welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a really cool video which is called the My Makeup Brush Set Review. So this one company sent me these makeup brushes like long back, and it was in my pending videos and I couldn't do it for a really long time. So this time I was like, no, I have to film this because these makeup brushes are really cool. In fact, I've done my makeup with them. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so there are two makeup brush sets. One is the oval brushes, and these are like the artiste brushes, and then there's this epitome of brush set which is like the coolest thing ever. It is a 32-piece brush set and it's gigantic, and I'm scared opening this because everything falls apart. Ta-da! It is so freaking huge. Like, there are so many brushes in here. There are 32 brushes. I'm gonna go over a few of them. I'm not gonna go through all of them, but I will tell you guys about most of them. Let's talk about this one first. So this brush set is a black color brush set. They come in different colors as well. So like there's pink, brown, there's purple, there's like a leopard print brush set. So they have like a gigantic range of colors, but then I chose the black one because it's really simple, and also they're synthetic, so it's really cool that you can apply your makeup with these. And there's one for like every type of makeup you need. Now, so if you're a beginner, this might seem a little confusing to you, but like if you are starting out, this is a good way to go. So I'm going to open their website because there's no possible way I can remember all the names of these brushes. Now I'm gonna go over a few of the brushes that I really like. There's this one, which is the fan brush. Now this one is used to apply your highlighter. This one's really cool. I feel like it's really soft. And the next one is this angle brush. Now this one is used to apply your eyeliner sometimes, and I use this to fill in my eyebrows. Then they have a bunch of eyebrow tools as well. So like you have eyebrow and eyelash tools here. There's a spoolie brush here. There's a bunch of eyeshadow brushes. There's this really cool chisel brush which I love because I use this to apply my contour, and this is one of the easiest brushes you can have. There are two foundation brushes, in fact one's a smaller one and one's a bigger one. And then there's this gigantic fan brush. It's so freaking huge, and I would rather use this to sort of dust off the excess foundation. So yeah, this brush set is pretty gigantic and it's pretty handy. And it's really cool for travel because it comes in this nice bag which is sort of vegan leather, so it's basically fake leather, and it folds into this really tiny bag. And yeah, so this was the first set, and the second set is actually really cool, which is the oval brushes. Now I'm sure you guys have heard of the artiste brushes, which are so freaking expensive that like one of them is like $50 to $60, but then this entire brush set is about $40 at the max. I'm not too sure, but I'm going to post all of the details in the description. So this brush set comes in this bag which has My Makeup Brush Set written on it, and there are 10 of these oval brushes. Now the color of the brushes that I chose was black and gold, so they have different colors as well. You guys can explore that option. They come in this nice rose gold plated handle, and each brush is like meant for something. So there's a foundation brush, there's a powder brush, and one of my favorite brushes really is the contour brush, and I've actually used this a lot, and this is so cool for just blending in. You wouldn't expect this to blend in so well, but then it does, and I feel like I substitute my beauty blender with this, and like this tiny thing like this replaces my beauty blender, so it's really freaking cool. So there's a lip brush, and then there's a blush brush. I really like this brush for applying my powder actually, because I feel like this powder brush is too big. There's an eyebrow brush, there's an eyeliner brush, and there's a concealer brush. There's just a bunch of them, and I can like post all the details in the description. In all, there are 10 brushes. Like, I feel like all the brushes have like such good grip on them, and I've used them like a lot. So I feel like they're really cool for people who just want to begin with makeup. So guys, that was my review of mymakeupbrushset.com, and they were so nice to send me these two makeup brushes, and I really hope you like this review. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. comment below and let me know what you guys think of it, and let me know if you guys actually use brushes, because when I started out with my makeup I never used brushes. So let me know that in the comments below. And also, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, subscribe right now because I'd really love it, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!